Spelling of favorite. Look, favorite. This is the spelling of favorite. But to remember the spelling of favorite, you need to focus on the number of syllables present in favorite. Look, you can write the number of syllable here. Fa, this is one syllable. Then vo, this is another syllable. And rit, right, this is another syllable. If you add these three syllables, then you will get this word, and this word is pronounced as favorite. Favorite. Okay. For USA people, USA people use another U before R to write the spelling of this word. Favorite. 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 Okay. For UK people, they don't use U, but USA people use U. To remember the spelling of the word favorite, look, you need to focus on the pattern. Look here, favorite ends in ite, right? Like delight, excite. Delight is of course different, but excite, it, this is common, right? Then you can apply word association method. Look, link favorite with another word that you know how to spell, such as favor. You need to first learn the spelling of favor and then just add it with favor. Then you can easily remember the spelling of favorite. Favor, write the spelling of favor, then add it.